If you use an iPhone, there's a powerful app that can replace your physical wallet, the Wallet app. In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step. What is Wallet App? The Apple Wallet app is created by Apple Inc. to store your cards, tickets, boarding passes, and payment methods digitally. How to open Wallet app. To open the Wallet app, 1. Unlock your iPhone. 2. Find the Wallet app icon. 3. Tap to open it. How to add a card. To add a card, 1. Tap the plus icon. 2. Choose debit or credit card. 3. Scan your card or enter details manually. 4. Verify with your bank how to use Apple Pay. With Apple Pay, you can pay using your iPhone. Steps. 1. Double press the side button. 2. Select your card. 3. Hold your iPhone near the payment machine, ADD tickets, and passes you can store. Boarding passes, event tickets, loyalty cards, security features. Wallet app is secure because uses Face ID or passcode. Card details are encrypted. No need to share real card number. Where you can use Wallet, you can use it in stores, online apps, for travel and tickets. The Wallet app makes payments and storing cards easier and more secure on your iPhone.